सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार। Yes, papers to be laid on the table. Sri Bandaru Dattatreya.
I beg to lay the papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Now, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 2 in the revised list of business for today, 12th August.
Dr. Mahesh Sharma.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Haribhai Pradebhai Chaudhary.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष उल्लेखित कागजातों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Sri Vishnudev Sai.
मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज के कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 5 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष यथा उल्लिखित कागजात सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Sri Arun Jaitley.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name in today's revised list of business.
Sri Narendra Singh Tomar.
मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यवाही क्रम संख्या 2 पर मेरे वरिष्ठ सहयोगी श्री नरेंद्र सिंह तोमर के नाम के उल्लिखित कागजात सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
No, क्या है? Now, message from the Lok Sabha, Secretary General.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 11th of August 2015 adopted a motion further extending the time for the presentation of the report of the Joint Committee on the Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Settlement Amendment, Second Bill 2015, up to the last day of the first week of the next session, that is the winter session of 2015.
Reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce. Dr. Chandan Mitra. नहीं है। श्री बाला रवि नहीं है। डॉक्टर अशोक गांगुली नहीं है। Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee of Science and Technology, Environment and Forest. श्री अश्विनी कुमार नहीं है। श्री भूपेंद्र सिंह
I beg to present the 268 report in English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forest, and environmental issues of the Nilgiris. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. Dr. Kanwardeep Singh.
Sir, I beg to present the 223rd report on the National Waterway Bill 2015 of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture.
Thank you. Report of the Joint Committee on Offices of Profit. Sri Sukendra Shekhar Roy.
Sir, with your permission, I beg to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the third report of the Joint Committee on Offices of Profit.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers. श्री नारायण लाल पंचरिया।
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से रसायन और उर्वरक मंत्रालय औषधि निर्माण से संबंधित राष्ट्रीय औषधीय शिक्षा एवं अनुसंधान संस्थान नाइपर का कार्यक्रम विषय पर रसायन और उर्वरक संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 12वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण में सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
रिपोर्ट ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट रिलेटेड पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑन कोल एंड स्टील। श्री संजय राउत।
Sir, I rise to lay on the table the Hindi and English version of the statements of the Standing Committee on Coal and Steel as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Report of the statement of the Department related Parliamentary Committee on Coal and Steel against Sanjay Rao. Once more you have to. Statement.
Yeah.
Statement ले करना है.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table the 14th report of the Standing Committee on Coal and Steel on the subject safety, health and education facilities for inhabitants, workers in coal, lignite mining areas relating to the Ministry of Coal.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Committee on Labour. Sri Tapan Kumar Sen.
Sir, with your permission, I beg to lay in the table of the House the 9th and 10th report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour as mentioned in today's against my name in today's revised list of business.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Rural Development. Shri Mahendra Singh Mehra.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के समक्ष यथा सूचीबद्ध ग्रामीण विकास संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 10वां, 11वां, 12वां, 13वां, 14वां और 15वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment. Srimati Jarna Das Baidia.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 20th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment 2014-15 on the Works, Properties, Eviction of Unauthorized Occupants Bill 2014 pertaining to the Ministry of Minority Affairs.
Statement by Ministers. Sri Dharmendra Pradhan.
Sir, I rise to make the statement in the House regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the first report of the Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas on demands for grants 14-15 pertaining to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. This may please be considered as read.
Thank you. Dr. Mahesh Sharma.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 211th report and 216th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Culture on upkeep of various monuments in Delhi National Museum and other important issues pertaining to the Ministry of Culture.
Now, Sri Haribhai Parthibai Chaudhary.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में स्टेटमेंट बाय मिनिस्टर के अंतर्गत क्रम संख्या 3 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लेखित गृह मंत्रालय से संबंधित स्थायी समिति की 170वीं और 184 की रिपोर्ट पर की गई कार्यवाही के बारे में अपना वक्तव्य सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Sri Y.S. Chaudhary.
Respected sir, with your permission, I beg to make a statement regarding status of implementation by Department of Science and Technology, Industrial Research, Ministry of Science and Technology regarding demands of grants 2015-16 on the recommendations contained in the 257th report of the Department related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests, mentioned against my name today's revised list of business. The present status of implementation is as per the statement which is laid on the table of this House. Thank you.
Now, see, there are 3 notices under Rule 267. Number 1 is Sri Naresh Agarwal, statements bringing disrepute and showing disrespect to the House of his member. Yesterday he had raised it, so there is no point in allowing it again today. Sri T.K. Rangarajan, demand for Prime Minister response on the fixing responsibility of the Union Minister. That is also the subject has been repeatedly raised here and motion was allowed to be moved. Never motion was moved, so I am not allowing that also. I am not allowing that also. Then
even if the subject is the same, under the rules, when a member gives a motion for a particular day, it has to be treated of and disposed of as a fresh motion.
If the same subject,
the subject may be the same, because that has not been responded to. That has not been responded to by the government. From the day 1 of this session, when it comes to fixing accountability and taking action, that's why the opposition has been giving these motions, notice for motions,
no, the
repeatedly. So it cannot be said that if yesterday it was disposed of, opposition's right is taken away. Unless and until the Prime Minister has responded, every motion on the next day will be treated as a fresh motion and disposed of as that. That is what the rule book says, sir.
Okay, now, can you listen to me now? Yes. See, you say even it is the same subject, it should be treated as fresh. I am only saying that on the same subject, I allowed a number of times motion to be moved, but members who gave notice did not move motion. That is what I am saying. What is the point in allowing it again? when motion is not moved. See, if Sri Rangarajan is ready to move the motion now, I am ready to allow him. We will start discussion now. I am ready for that. This is yes, what he brought is a motion. What is a motion? See, in fact, I tell you, motion is not in proper form. That point I can ignore. Even then I am saying it is a motion for suspension of the list of business for discussing a subject. I am ready to allow discussion. Are you ready to move the motion? I am ready to allow discussion.
See.
No, kya hai? Then what is the point?
My point is the Prime Minister
Then what is the point?
See, Prime Minister must be here.
Yes, देखिए ये सच्चाई है। आपने बार बार मोशन को अलाउ किया, डिस्कशन को अलाउ किया, डिबेट को अलाउ किया, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये तैयार ही नहीं है। हम तो इनसे हाथ जोड़ करके अपील करते हैं कि भैया केवल 1.5 दिन रह गया है।
श्री शरद यादव,
कम से कम अभी चर्चा शुरू कर दीजिए। हम गला तो सब गला, नहीं तो अगर आप जो है वो केवल प्रोग्रेस पर पलीता लगाते रहेंगे तो देश आपको माफ नहीं करेगा।
So the question of moving a motion comes when Prime Minister is there to respond.
No, motion. A motion cannot be conditional. I see. I tell you, a motion cannot be conditional. You cannot say who should come and reply. I cannot accept a conditional motion. You move the motion.
Only the Prime Minister can.
You move the motion.
When it pertains to a cabinet minister, you cannot expect a junior minister to come and respond. That's why the opposition has...
Mr. Anand Sharma, you start the discussion. Then you demand.
Who else can? If it is cabinet minister, it has to be the Prime Minister. It cannot be anybody else.
आपके हर सवाल का जवाब मिलेगा।
This has been debated again and again.
आप चर्चा शुरू करिए। आपको चर्चा का
You allow Sharad Yadav
के साथ जवाब मिलेगा।
Please allow Sharad Yadav.
चर्चा शुरू करिए।
उपाध्यक्ष जी, मैं
senior, very senior member speaking. Please listen to him.
मामले को आपके सामने रखना चाहता हूं। आज इस देश के पूंजीपतियों ने 68 बरस की आज़ादी में ये लोग वहां से बाहर से ये कह रहे हैं ये पार्लियामेंट चलना चाहिए, ये जान लें कि 125 करोड़ लोगों ने इस पार्लियामेंट को चुना है। कोई पूंजीपति और ये जो आरोप लगता था कि ये थैली शाहों ने आपको बिठाला है, ये आज विंडिकेट हो गया, साबित हो गया। ये क्या हिम्मत इनकी हो सकती है? ये हिम्मत करेंगे हिंदुस्तान की पार्लियामेंट को चलाने की? आप सदन के
आदमी चाहता है कि पार्लियामेंट ना चले?
सदन के मालिक हैं।
क्या आम आदमी चाहता है कि पार्लियामेंट ना चले? क्या जिसने आपको वोट दिया वो चाहता है कि पार्लियामेंट ना चले? आप दोषी हैं इस बात के कि पार्लियामेंट रुकाने के लिए उनको साथ देना है। आप दोषी हैं इस बात के कि इस देश के लोकतंत्र को आप रोकने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
सर इनको आप इधर से उधर करिए। अगर
What are you gaining by doing this? It's very unfortunate. I am very sorry, it's very unfortunate. It's a sad commentary on the democracy, parliamentary democracy. It's an affront on the democracy. I am sorry. I hope better wisdom will prevail upon you. I adjourn the House up to 12:00 hours.